What's for dinner?
I'm thinking pizza.
Sounds good. Delivery?
Yeah, let's order in.
How was your day?
Pretty busy.
Nice weather today.
Perfect for a walk.
Want to go to the park?
Sure, let's meet at 3.
Did you hear about Tom?
No, what happened?
He got a new job.
That's great news.
Are you free Saturday?
Yes, why?
Want to grab lunch?
Sounds fun.
How's your new car?
It's great. Very smooth.
What color did you get?
Blue. It looks nice.
Did you finish the report?
Almost. Need more time.
When can you submit it?
By tomorrow afternoon.
What's your weekend plan?
Nothing much. You?
Thinking of movie night.
Can I join?
Have you tried the new cafe?
Not yet. Is it good?
The coffee is amazing.
Let's go there sometime.
How's your family?
They're all doing well.
Any plans to visit soon?
Maybe next month.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
How do you drink it?
I like it with milk.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why do you like blue?
It reminds me of the sky.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Where did you learn?
I learned at school.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's its name?
Her name is Fluffy.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Is that early for you?
No, it's normal for me.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's nice. Do you like this weather?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook a little.
What's your best dish?
I make good pasta.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
How often do you play?
I play twice a week.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza.
Do you make pizza at home?
Sometimes, but I prefer restaurant pizza.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Is it a long ride?
No, it's only 20 minutes.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is he older or younger?
He's younger than me.
What do you do on weekends?
I often go to the movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy comedy movies.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak a little Spanish.
Where did you learn it?
I learned it in high school.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach math to high school students.
Do you exercise often?
Yes, I try to exercise every day.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I like to run and do yoga.
Are you a good cook?
I'm okay. I can make simple meals.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I like to make chicken soup.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents.
Do they live far away?
No, they live in the next town.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer the best.
Why do you like summer?
I enjoy the warm weather and long days.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small blue car.
How long have you had it?
I've had it for 3 years.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep for about 8 hours.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where was your last trip?
I went to the beach last month.
What's your favorite drink?
I really like orange juice.
Do you drink it every day?
No, just on weekends.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
How often do you paint?
I try to paint once a week.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had toast and eggs.
Was it good?
Yes, it was delicious.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop and rock music.
Are you good at math?
It's not my best subject.
Do you use math in your job?
Yes, I use basic math every day.
What's your favorite TV show?
I really like watching nature documentaries.
Why do you like them?
They're interesting and I learn a lot.
Have you ever been to Italy?
No, but I'd love to visit someday.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How long have you been playing?
For about 5 years now.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
Do you have a dog?
No, but I'd like to get one.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it's relaxing for me.
What's the last dish you cooked?
I made spaghetti carbonara.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a travel photographer.
Why do you want that job?
I enjoy traveling and capturing moments.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it very calming.
What do you grow in your garden?
Mostly vegetables and some flowers.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses.
Do you grow them at home?
Yes, I have a small rose garden.
Any travel plans coming up?
I'm planning a trip to Italy.
That sounds amazing. When are you going?
Next month.
Did you get a chance to read that book I recommended?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yes, I finished it in 2 days.
I'll start it this weekend.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and friendly.
Any good restaurants nearby?
There's a great Thai place around the corner.
Have you ever been to the city zoo?
Yes, it's wonderful.
What's your favorite animal there?
I love the pandas.
Are you into any sports?
Yes, I love playing basketball.
Do you play often?
Every weekend with friends.
Any plans for tonight?
Just a quiet night in.
Sounds relaxing. Enjoy! Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!